And holding cars.
Two CSX engines. Those cars are stacked two on top of each other, huh?
Yes.
Is that pretty neat?
Yes. Oh, that's a long train.
It is a big train, isn't it?
That's a long train. That's a long train.
It is a long train, isn't it? Those are some big cars, huh?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
We can put on the big TV at home later, huh?
Yes.
What kind of cars are these?
Hopper cars.
Very good. You feel the ground moving?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's those cars?
Those are hoppers.
What's that car?
That's called an open car. And what's this one? What's that one?
A tank one.
Tank run. Very good.
That's just couple two, what a tank ones.
Mm-hmm. There's a bunch of tanker cars, huh?
That's coming to. That's the X train again.
Yeah.
That's the X tanker car.
Yeah, it is very good. It is a CSX tanker car. Do you think there's going to be a caboose?
Betty, there's a caboose on the back. And I'm not done with it.
No, it's a long train, huh?
Yes,
Looks like it's slowing down, doesn't it?
yes,
Do you want your sunglasses?
yes. I don't want to. No,
No? Okay.
I don't walk at the train.
Okay.
Whoa. That's a green tanker car.
Very good.
Whoa.
What kind of tanker cars?
Big apple cars.
Big tanker cars. It's going real slow now, huh?
Yes.
Good thing we came here, huh?
Yes. A dumping.
Mm-hmm.
That's called a baker.
There's the end.
No caboose.
No caboose. That's weird, huh?
Oh, need to put that caboose on.
Yeah. Who should we tell to put a caboose on? The engineer or the conductor?
The engineer and the conductor.
Oh, both of them?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the end.
Mm-hmm.
That must be a long train.
Yeah, it's going slow now, huh?
That must be a long train.
Yeah, it must be.